Alright guys, this is going to be an unboxing video of the Norscot Roadtec RX-700 cold planer. This is a model I've been waiting for a long time, so I'm going to unbox it here. This model is a fairly rare model for it being a Norscot model, actually. Norscot very rarely produces another brand of equipment models besides Caterpillar. So, and this one I got from a private retailer, as I get most of my models. So, and this one was it was somewhat used already, just displayed for a while. So I don't think there's any ties on it or anything. But I'll just check here. No, but there's tape. So, I've wanted this model for a long time. I barely own any paving models, so I've always kind of wanted one of these. Wow. This is nice. Now, I do know a few people here on YouTube that own one, like Cat 446 D, I think. I know he owns one. So far, that's the only one I know of. But here to give you guys a better look at it here. Your belt. This belt here actually does move, I think. I'm really not sure. It tilts right here for your boom, and got really good, very nicely scaled rails on it. Very nicely scaled. You have mirrors. You have your strobe light back here, exhaust stack, all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, there it is. The unboxing of a Roadtec RX-700 milling machine.